Chapter number 8, Sound. Introduction. In previous standard, नववीला किंवा दहावीला मी शिकला the definition of wave or waves. What is meant by waves? Waves is nothing but an oscillatory disturbance traveling through the given medium. Any type of oscillatory disturbance traveling through medium. The medium are of three types. The first medium is solid medium, liquid medium, and gaseous medium. The disturbance or oscillatory disturbance traveling through given medium, that is called wave. The waves are of different types. There is different types of wave. Some wave are propagated in the medium and which require the material medium for their propagation. Some waves are travel in all the medium. Some waves are travel in a particular medium, and some waves are travel in all the medium, that is solid, liquid and gas medium. And some kinds of waves are travel or they are propagated, and for the propagation of that type of wave there is not need of any type of material medium. अशा प्रकारच्या वेगवेगळ्या वेव की काही वेव अशा आहेत की त्यांना निर्माण होण्यासाठी कुठल्या तरी माध्यमाची गरज असते. मग ते माध्यम लिक्विड असेल, गॅस असेल किंवा सॉलिड असेल. काही वेव्स अशा आहेत की तिला कुठल्याच प्रकारच्या माध्यमाची गरज नसते तरी ती प्रोपागेट होते किंवा तयार होत असते. काही वेव्स अशा आहेत की त्या तिन्ही माध्यमांमधून ट्रॅव्हल होतात, सॉलिड, लिक्विड आणि गॅस अशा माध्यमांमधून त्या ट्रॅव्हल होतात. ह्याच्याच आधारे आपण द वेव्स or some waves and travel in a straight line. काही अशा वेव आहेत की त्या सरळ रेषेमध्ये ट्रॅव्हल होतात, and that type of wave is called progressive wave. The wave is propagated in the medium and this wave travel in a straight line direction. This wave cannot change their direction in the given medium. Such wave is called progressive wave. The progressive wave are of also two types. The first wave called transverse wave and second is called longitudinal wave. And these are the two types of progressive wave. Now in general, the waves in general, the waves are classified into three types. The waves are classified into three types. The first type is called mechanical wave. Mechanical waves. The second type is called electromagnetic waves, or it is also called EM waves. And third type of wave is called matter waves. In general, the waves are classified into three types: the mechanical waves, second electromagnetic waves, and third is matter waves. Now, the mechanical waves, the wave in which there is need of material medium for their propagation. The wave in which there is need of any type of material medium for their propagation, such type of wave is called mechanical wave. म्हणजे अशी वेव की तिला तयार होण्यासाठी कुठल्या तरी माध्यमाची गरज असते. मग ते माध्यम सॉलिड असेल, लिक्विड असेल किंवा गॅस, त्या तीनपैकी एक माध्यम असेल आणि त्या माध्यमामधून जर वेव तयार होत असेल तर त्या प्रकाराला म्हणायचं मेकॅनिकल वेव्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, the wave produced in stretched string, ताणलेल्या दोरीमध्ये जी वेव तयार होते, this is the example of mechanical wave. Also sound or sound wave is the example of mechanical wave. Also progressive wave is the example of mechanical wave. Longitudinal wave, transverse wave, these are the examples of mechanical wave. In short, when the mechanical wave produced in the medium, there is need of material medium or one type of medium for their propagation. This type of wave is called mechanical waves. Now, second type is the electromagnetic wave. The wave in which there is no or not need for any type of material medium for their propagation. For their propagation, that type of wave is called electromagnetic wave. The wave in which there is no need of any type of material medium, म्हणजे ही वेव तयार होण्यासाठी कुठल्याच माध्यमाची गरज नसते, त्या वेवला म्हणायचं इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक वेव. The wave in which there is not need for any type of medium for their propagation of wave, such wave is called electromagnetic wave. Also, this electromagnetic wave travel in the all medium. This electromagnetic wave travel in all medium. The medium should be solid, liquid and gas. कुठलंही माध्यम असेल तर या कुठल्याही माध्यमामधून ही वेव ट्रॅव्हल होते किंवा ह्या वेवला तयार होण्यासाठी कुठल्याच माध्यमाची गरज असते. अशी जी वेव आहे, that wave is called electromagnetic wave. And when This electromagnetic wave is produced due to this electromagnetic wave or EM wave is produced, or this wave is produced or generated due to periodic vibration. Periodic vibration of electric and magnetic field. This wave is produced in the medium due to periodic vibration of electric and magnetic field, or these two fields are mutually perpendicular to each other. This is about the electromagnetic wave. This wave, ही wave medium मध्ये इलेक्ट्रिक आणि मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड मुळे किंवा त्यांच्या व्हायब्रेशन मुळे तयार होते. ही वेव्ह ट्रॅव्हल होताना कुठल्याच माध्यमाची गरज नसते आणि ही वेव्ह सर्व माध्यमांमधून ट्रॅव्हल होते. दिस इज that type of wave is called electromagnetic wave or EM wave. Third type of wave is called the matter wave. In this wave there is always associated, there is always a wave associated with any object, it is in the motion. Object is it in motion. Such a wave is called matter wave. The wave in which or there is always wave associated with any object and that object is in motion, such a wave is called matter wave. These are the general types of waves, that is mechanical waves, electromagnetic waves, that is EM waves, and metal waves. Now we obtain or discuss the mathematical expression of waves. Mathematical expression of waves. The waves, or we discuss, the wave is travel in straight line. म्हणजे जी वेव सरळ रेषेमध्ये जाते ती तिची दिशा बदलत नाही त्याच माध्यमामध्ये, that type of wave is called progressive wave. The wave is travel in the medium in straight line path, or this wave cannot be changed their direction in the given medium. That type of wave is called progressive wave. And the progressive wave are of two types. The first is transverse wave and second is longitudinal wave. Transverse wave and constitute the wave. Then the nature of wave, or nature of transverse wave is very similar to sine wave. Is very similar to sine wave, or it is also called sinusoidal wave. In short, it is called sine wave. The nature of progressive wave or nature of all type of wave is very similar to sine wave. Suppose this is the y-axis origin, this is the x-axis, this is negative x-axis, and this one is negative y-axis. And this nature of wave is the sine wave, and nature of all type of wave is very similar to this sine wave. Now, the mathematical expression of this sine wave or waves along the mathematical expression of the mathematical expression of waves along positive x-axis direction is given by y of xt is equal to a sine into bracket kx minus omega t plus phi. Kx minus omega t plus phi, where a, k, omega and phi are constant, where the a, k, omega and phi are constant. This is the expression of wave along positive x-axis direction, that is y of xt. A sine kx minus omega t plus phi, where a means amplitude of wave, k is the constant, omega is also constant, phi is also constant, but this omega is nothing but angular velocity, phi is the phase angle, this omega t is also the angle. This is the mathematical expression. Now, this expression along negative x-axis direction, this mathematical expression of wave along negative x-axis direction is y of xt is equal to a sine kx plus omega t plus phi. This is the expression of wave along negative x-axis direction, that is y equal to a sine kx plus omega plus t, because the displacement of particle along y-axis and the wave is propagated along x-axis. In this equation, the displacement of particle along y-axis and the wave is propagated along positive x-axis direction. In this equation, the displacement of particle along y-axis, but the wave propagate along negative x-axis direction. Also, we discuss the speed of such type of waves, or that wave can be traveled, called traveling waves. The wave is traveled along a particular direction, or wave is traveled, then that wave is called traveling wave. Now we discuss the speed or velocity of traveling waves. The speed or velocity of traveling waves, speed or velocity of waves depends on first the elastic property of medium, the elastic property of medium. In that medium, the wave is disturbed or wave is propagated. The wave is travel in the medium or given medium, then the speed of that wave depends upon elastic property of the wave, and also depends upon number 2, density of the given medium. Number 3, the mass per unit length of the given medium, or the restoring force in the given medium. Mainly the speed of waves, that wave can be traveled in the given medium, then the speed of that wave depends upon the elastic property or elastic behavior of that medium, or mass density property, or depends upon density of the medium and mass and volume of the given medium. Now this speed traveling waves, suppose first we discuss about the speed of transverse wave, speed of transverse wave, and secondly we discuss the speed of longitudinal wave, speed of transverse wave, and secondly we discuss the speed of longitudinal wave. The speed of transverse wave, in the given medium depends upon elastic properties of medium, and also this transverse wave is propagated in the solid medium. For example, the wave produced in string or stretched string is the example of transverse wave. Then the speed of that wave depends upon tension in the string, that is T, And another factor affect or of speed of transverse wave is mass per unit length, or it is called linear density. The first factor that affects on the speed of transverse wave is in case of wave produced in the string, vibrating string, then first factor affect the tension in the string. त्या दोरीमध्ये जर वेव तयार झाली तर त्याचं उदाहरण आपण घेतो ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव, की दोरीमध्ये तयार झालेली वेव. त्या वेवचा स्पीड कुणाच्या अवलंबून असतो? नंबर 1, त्या दोरीमध्ये किती ताण निर्माण झाला आहे त्याला आपण टेन्शन म्हणतो, त्याच्यावर त्याचा वेग अवलंबून असतो. नंबर 2, मास पर युनिट लेंथ किंवा लिनियर डेन्सिटीवर त्याचा वेग अवलंबून असतो. मग मास पर युनिट लेंथ, that is small m, is given as mass of string divided by length of string. जी आपण दोरी वापरणार आहोत त्या दोरीचं मास किती आहे आणि दोरीची लांबी लेंथ किती आहे, मास भागिले लेंथ यांचं जे उत्तर येणार आहे त्याला म्हणायचं लिनियर डेन्सिटी और मास पर युनिट लेंथ. Then this velocity of transverse wave depends upon, in case of string, depends upon t and m, and the speed of transverse wave can be determined using formula phi is equal to under root t upon m. ह्या फॉर्म्युलाने आपण ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्हची वेलोसिटी किंवा स्पीड काढू शकतो. that is v is equal to under root t upon m, where t means tension in the string and small m means mass per unit length. Using this formula we can determine the velocity of velocity of transverse wave. Now secondly we discuss about the speed of longitudinal wave. When the longitudinal wave is traveling through the medium, then the medium is disturbed backward and forward, and due to this disturbance there is formation of compression and rarefaction. There is formation of rarefaction, or we say that when the transverse wave are traveling through the medium, then the medium is divided into compression and rarefaction, or the medium is backward, or the motion or vibration of that medium is backward and forward, and due to this there is formation of compression and rarefaction. This compression and rarefaction produced in the medium due to elastic property. Elastic property E of the medium, and second the density. We say that rho, suppose rho is the density, then this two compression and rarefaction is produced in the medium due to elastic property and density of the medium. Hence the speed of longitudinal wave, the sound or sound wave, is the example of longitudinal wave, and this longitudinal wave or speed of or velocity of longitudinal wave depends upon the elastic property or elasticity of the medium and density of the given medium, and the velocity of longitudinal wave can be determined using formula phi is equal to under root E upon rho. V is equal to under root E upon rho, where E means elastic property of the medium and rho means density of the medium. The speed of sound wave or speed of longitudinal wave can be determined using formula V is equal to under root E upon rho, and the velocity of transverse wave can be determined by formula V is equal to under root T upon M, where T means tension in the string and M means mass per unit length.